Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video from Eurocas. My name is Balaji Ayappan. I'm the founder of Eurocas Career and Schooling. We have helped over 1000 medical professionals in the last 9 years. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how to go to Germany and start working as a truck driver trainee. Right now, you completed your high school, but you already have some truck driving experience or driving experience, or you like to go and work as a truck driver in Germany. This is the video for you, because in Germany there is a huge shortage of truck drivers in Germany. You can see it here on the screen. This is the amount of truck drivers missing every single year. So that means that for the next 10 to 15 years, Germany needs thousands and thousands of truck drivers who can come into this country, and then you can start working as a truck driver. But you are interested, then there is an option called Ausbildung in truck driving. Basically, it means that you come to Germany after high school and you will be taught how to become a truck driver in Germany. So basically, this is a 3-year program. It's called Ausbildung. 1 month you will go to a school, you will learn about the truck driving, you will learn about the skills which is required to become a truck driver, and the next 1 month you will also be driving trucks. You will be practically learning this entire process of truck driving. Isn't it amazing? You just completed high school, you're coming to Germany, you are learning to become a truck driver, but at the same time you are also getting paid for this entire duration. So that's the beauty of Ausbildung. 3 years program. Every single month you will be getting a stipend between 1000 to 1300, 1400 euros every single month. And this is not only when you are working, but also when you are studying in your school. So next, for the 36 months, that is 3 years of time, every single month you will be getting 1200 to 1400 euros every single month. Now let's see the eligibility. Who is eligible to do this truck driving Ausbildung? Number one, you should be a minimum high school graduate. You should have passed your grade 10, 12, and it can be in any field: commerce, arts and science, engineering, medical, no matter what. But you should be a graduate, you should have completed the course, and you have the certificate, school finishing certificate. That's the first thing. Second thing is, you should learn German language. That is because if you wanted to go to Germany and work as a truck driver, the basic thing is communication. You need to communicate with a lot of people, and you have to go to school and learn to become a driver. So the foundation for that is German language. So B2 level German is required in order to get this Ausbildung. But don't worry, that's where Eurocas comes in. We will support you with the B2 level German language. We are offering online as well as offline courses. It's going to take you 8 to 9 months of time to learn from A1 level to B2 level to complete this entire course of time. Once you complete your B1 and B2 level, Eurocas will start matching you with your future employer. That means that you will be taking interviews with your employer, and they will ask you basic questions and basic motivation why you wanted to work as a truck driver. What is your motivation to come to Germany? But no worries, Eurocas got you covered again. We will help you to prepare for these interviews. We will run mock interviews. We will do a lot of sessions with you to make you understand how this interview process works. And then after the interview, you've done well, within 2 to 3 weeks of time, you will receive your offer letter. And then once your B2 is also completed, you will apply for your visa and then move to Germany. Eurocas will also support you with this entire visa process, right from filing the visa, helping you prepare the documentation, and then going to the visa. And after the visa is there, the relocation. We will support you with your relocation, getting you the right tickets and to the right city. And our team in Germany will also pick you up from the airport and take you to your work location. And then until you land in Germany, start working, we will make sure that everything goes smooth, and our team in Germany will help you with that as well. Right from registration, visa extension, health insurance, bank account opening, all the initial support Eurocas and team will be offering you. So if you are interested to work as a truck driver trainee in Germany, feel free to reach out to us. This is the contact number. We are super happy to support you in this entire process. If you have more questions, you can leave it in the comment. I will make sure that it has been answered. So if you know anybody who's interested to work as a truck driver, send this video to them. Or if you wanted to come to Germany, contact us. See you all soon in Germany.